Hey, hi, what if I tell you you can actually make money by just having conversation with AI? Data annotation is paying up to $100 per hour to just train AI models. That's it. I will explain the process clearly. This is a completely remote position. You can actually do this task from your home by your just having your laptop. That's it. And there is no fixed schedule for this. You can work in your free time. No degree or no educational qualification is required for it, and you will be paid weekly and hourly as well. I will tell you what it is and how you can actually earn money. So, data annotation is a renowned platform. The purpose of this platform is to provide support to AI models or AI LLMs so that they can improve their models more effectively. There are two different categories that data annotation is currently hiring for. The first one is domain experts. You will be paid up to $100 per hour if you are a domain expert in any of these: biology, law, medicine, mathematics, coding, finance, physics. See, whatever it is, if you are a domain expert in any of this field, it might be software engineering, it might be content, it might be finance, biology, whatever, you will be paid up to $100 per hour. And the second category is generalist. See, if you are not a domain expert, but if you are willing to contribute to AI training, and if you have good English communication skills, then it is for you. You will be paid up to $30 per hour. And though it is less, but it is still a good amount. You will also see the amount that you will get for each of these roles. For example, if you are a senior software engineer, you will be paid up to $75 per hour. If you are a research chemist, you will be paid up to $100 per hour. If you are a professional writer, you will be paid up to $30 per hour. If you are a content editor, if you can see, these are generalist roles, a professional writing or content editor and all. So you'll be paid up to $30 per hour. So choose your domain and click apply. No, that's it. So once you click apply, you will get a screening test, and if you qualify it, you can start working on projects immediately. So how this actually works, like what you will actually do in this job, there are different works that you can do in data annotation. The first one is response rating. You will be shown an AI generated response and asked to evaluate it, like whether it is accurate or not, and you need to select whether it is accurate or not, and if there are any errors, you need to identify them. And the second way is comparative ranking. You will be shown two different AI responses, and you need to tell which one is right. So this is another area. The third one is response writing. So the model will ask you to write response for some questions so that it will train itself. So this is another area. And if you are a software developer or software engineer, then it will ask you to review the code and debug the code so that AI can learn from you. So these are all different works that you will actually do in this platform. So this is an exciting opportunity for people who want to earn some side income along with their professional work. Even if you are a student and if you feel you're good at least one skill, this is something that you should definitely look into. I will drop the link in the description. Please check it out and apply for it. This is an exciting opportunity for people who want to build a secondary income source. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content on AI.